Okay, so hello everyone. For this training video, we will try to fix or to capture this building. So for me, this is the most complicated building of the whole training exam. Okay, so if you manage to capture this one, I think you would be able to fix every building uh, on our training exam. Okay, so first is we need to capture the entire, the first, I mean the main building. Okay, so this one, like so. Okay, so again. Try to capture it from the longest or the longest ridge or the longest part of the building that you can see. So again, left is for drawing, right is for matching and adjustment. Capture the wall. Okay, so it does not matter if you fix it left or right. No, okay. So next is capture this part. Guys, since this whole area should be one building only and it connected, so this will be part of the building, but we will change it to attachment or secondary independent attachment later. Okay, capture this one and use Alt to adjust. Okay, again, like so. Next is this one. Just drag it, extend a little, like that, and use Alt. Okay, so I think we captured this perfectly. Okay, so we do not need to use Alt anymore. Next is this one. So use A. I'm just using H to connect, okay? And then just using Alt to adjust. Hold Alt. And then we will just, okay. So again, guys, always use the right image as reference, okay? And lastly, for this one, so we will just extend our panel for this one later on, okay? Make sure to draw at the base only. So, like so, hold Alt. Again, check your right as a reference. Use your right as a reference. One more. And insert like so, group, and then use autofix F4. Okay, so as you can see, this one embedded itself to the main building. Next is to capture our panels. So we need to make a ridge here first. So proceed to matching like so. Next is, oh, okay. So take note, guys, your what do you call this? Assist line is unlimited. So it's okay for you to delete and then withdraw again. So we're a bit short. Okay, next. And close this one and close this one. So we will use autofix for that later on. Next is we need to capture the base for this one. Okay, so we'll just use H like so and see if we, yes, I think we captured it properly. Okay, so let's just do like so, and we can just move that later. Okay, next is to capture the panels. So I think for, let's try to drag this one. Okay, so it's a bit long. If we try to drag, then there should be another panel. Okay, so it's a bit okay. Okay, so draw it like so, and then we will just use autofix later. Okay. So let's try to use autofix to fix okay, forgot to fix this one. Proceed to matching. Okay, let's use autofix. Group and then use F4. Okay, so we are done. So let's continue with this part right here. Okay, so let's check other views first. Again, guys, you should avoid using this type of views. Okay, remember to avoid bird's eye view or top center view. Okay, so guys, this might look okay. Okay. Hmm, there's a bug. Let's try it. So this might look it's not aligned, but if you try to move the panel, see it will align. So because it's this loop is under this one, so it might look that it's not see if you try to move this one, it will align. See, so it gives you an impression that it's not correctly drawn, but it's actually right correct. So again, for this one, okay, so let's just adjust. So our assist line is embedded. Fine, we will just use autofix for that one later. So again, broken lines, it means that the panel is inserted, okay, inserted to a certain or the main building or another building like so. So if you check the 3D, it's inserted. So we need to remove this one later using autofix. Next is this one. Okay. For this one, since okay, so don't forget guys, this part should be captured as part of the building also, okay? This one, this balcony. Oh, we need to insert it a bit more, like so. Again, guys, use the right as reference. So you can just cut cut this part out later using autofix. So I think we are done. Next is for this attachment, okay? So fastest way to draw an attachment is using our assist line. Okay, so this view is bugged. Try this one. So how to capture this one using our assist line? First, make an assist line like so, the bottom part, and capture it like so. Since we are seeing pillars below, okay, there are pillars below, so it, okay, so again, this should be captured as secondary independent, okay? So let's remove the assist lines. Let's see. Let's check other views. Let's use AutoFix first. Let's check other views if it is correct. So, okay, so guys, I'm going to restart my software first. Okay, so let's continue. Let's check this one. Okay, so let's see if this view is fixed. Okay, so we'll try to redraw our attachment again. So first use an assist line like so. So let's switch. Adjust and capture. Okay, so yes, I think this is much better. Next is for this one. Guys, since this is an attachment also, um, we will just use this one as a guide. Just place an assist line and then from here, so from, I think it starts from here, from the base of the, you can just also use an assist line, extended inwards, the main building, draw it like so. And guys, again, don't forget for attachments, we need to remove the base. Okay, so let's select this one and then press 3. Sorry, I need to delete the whole base for this building. Okay, and then let's try to use AutoFix. Oh, dang, I forgot the chimney. So for the chimneys again, draw outside, drag the wall. So you can just adjust later, like so. And let's proceed to matching. And then group J, select the main building to fix what do you call this? To fix, okay, so to fix the wall, fix. Okay. And then lastly, we will use the auto fix function. And see, we are done. So guys, if you manage to capture this building properly, I assure you that all remaining tasks will be easy fix for you guys. Okay, so it should look like this one. So let's use Alt R and see the whole building like so. It should look like this. Okay, so thanks. Thank you for watching.